Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing the specific shade of meaning you want. For example, mild approval versus enthusiastic praise. Once done, pick a concrete sentence to practice on and state the baseline idea clearly. Make sure to label the contrasting element next, what changes and why. This early action forces you to hear the gap between meanings, so you'll notice word choices and tone that create subtle differences. Practice allowed to lock the distinction into how you speak and write. Now you focus on detailed tools, modifiers, verb selection, and rhythm. Use precise adverbs like slightly or mostly to calibrate intensity. They tell the listener how big the difference is. Then choose verbs that match intention, suggest versus assert, because verbs carry stance and responsibility. Also, change punctuation and sentence length to create pauses. Short clauses increase force, while commas and dashes invite subtlety. As you practice, compare two versions to hear the impact of each small choice. Finish by refining and testing. Read both the baseline and nuanced versions aloud, record 2 or 3 takes, and listen for differences. Ask a listener whether they perceived the subtle change and note which words signaled it. If the nuance doesn't come through, simplify the sentence, increase the contrast with a stronger modifier, or change emphasis with punctuation and pacing. A key troubleshooting tip: when readers miss it, amplify one element at a time so you can pinpoint what creates the nuance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.